you got? If you haven't got love.
Hello tipsters and tricksters, welcome back to another Vintage Tips and Tricks video. Today is a fashion video. I haven't done one in a little while and there's been a lot of lingerie videos, so this is a fashion video and it is in collaboration with an Australian brand called Call Me Valerie. Call Me Valerie is an Australian online boutique that you can order clothing from, so don't worry if you're not based in Australia. She has a fantastic section on her website where she talks about herself and why she started the store, and what I really like about it is that Valerie has curated the store based on her personal wardrobe. So you really are shopping for pieces that Valerie would only wear herself. Valerie talks a lot about empowerment and dressing for your own personal happiness and expressing yourself and feeling confident. And if you guys have watched my Finding Your Personal Vintage Style video, which I will link up above, you know that this is a really big theme on my channel. So I think we mesh really well and I'm very, very excited to be doing this collaboration today. So there are many things available through the online store, but Valerie has sent me 3 beautiful pieces, one being the blouse I'm wearing right now in this gorgeous bone color. She also sent a beautiful sage green long sleeve 40 style blouse and a beautiful 40 style forest green skirt. If you know me, you know I love my forest green and it's not that easy to come by, so I am really kind of thrilled that this was in the package because I didn't know what Valerie was going to send me, so it was a really lovely surprise to open it up. She did also send me this lip pencil. It is in a beautiful shade of orange red, which I really love, like very, very classic 40s. I'm always on the hunt for a good lip pencil because some of them are very chalky, crayony. Some of them are really hard to draw on your mouth and it hurts, and others are so crumbly that you can't really use them or they smudge. This is really perfect and just such a great color, as you can see here. So if you're interested in learning more about my favorite lipsticks, I will link my last video up above, which was all about my favorite red lipsticks. So once I knew what I would be styling, I got together a bunch of accessories, shoes, bags, scarves, ready to style these pieces. So let me show you what I came up with. I just feel there is something so vintage about pairing different shades of the same color together. I just really love that look. So I paired the sage blouse with a 1950s circle skirt, my grandmother's green clutch, a little corsage, a vintage belt that I already owned, and a pair of heels that were gifted to me by a lovely friend. I really wanted to demonstrate the versatility of Reproduction pieces, so I put the blouse and the skirt from Call Me Valerie together for this outfit, but popped on a little vintage scarf that was again owned by my grandmother, paired it with this gorgeous vintage handbag that was gifted by the same friend, and a pair of Reproduction heels that have the little green and red pops of color that just tie this outfit together. This look is a little bit more classic, very 1940s, with my little headscarf that I used to tie the green of the skirt with the more of a teal shade that's in the Reproduction heels I'm wearing. Pair of sunnies, never hurts, really classic shades, and a 1970s snakeskin clutch that's got some real 40s vibes to it. I like to use Reproduction pieces in my wardrobe as staple pieces that I can work my vintage around, really letting the vintage pieces shine and speak for my style. And of course, it means that you're spending your money wisely because you can pair the Repro with so many different things. So here I have paired the bone blouse from Call Me Valerie with these slate grey 1940s trousers, a vintage scarf, and the same clutch and pair of shoes. I wanted the last look to be something quite different, so I went with this pin-up vibe by pairing the green skirt with a tropical tie blouse, a thrifted bag that I have popped one of my homemade corsages on, and the same pair of Reproduction heels. So guys, that is the video. I hope you liked it. If you did enjoy the video, if you'd like to give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe, that always really helps me out. You can always check out my Patreon. It is linked down below. You can come and follow me on my Instagram. Of course, a really big thank you to Call Me Valerie and Valerie herself for sponsoring today's video and collaborating with me. It was an absolute pleasure, and I hope you like the pieces as much as I did. Of course, everything is linked down below so you can check out the pieces that I showed you today, but also the other stuff that Valerie has in her shop. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video. Bye.